The scan tool features a primary diagnostics button complemented by smaller buttons designated for OBD functions, facilitating seamless navigation for users. This design enhances accessibility, rendering it particularly beginner-friendly. In addition to its user-oriented interface, the IM readiness feature enables users to swiftly assess the status of their vehicle's emission systems, thereby providing crucial information imperative for thorough vehicle diagnostics. Moreover, the tool incorporates volumetric efficiency calculations, which necessitate the engine to be running to obtain accurate measurements. This capability offers valuable insights into the overall performance of the engine. Furthermore, the scan tool includes a 1-year complimentary update, with subsequent yearly updates available for a fee of $49.95. This ensures that the tool remains aligned with advancements in automotive technology, thereby enhancing its long-term usability. To activate the device, users must utilize a QR code along with a serial number, guaranteeing secure and tailored access. This activation step is essential for unlocking the full functionality of the tool. Additionally, the tool encompasses 15 special functions, including brake bleeding and electronic throttle system resets, which provide vital services for automotive maintenance. These diverse functions cater to a variety of vehicle systems, ensuring comprehensive support. The scan tool further enhances its diagnostic capabilities by offering critical features such as suspension resets and tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, functionalities. Such special functions significantly contribute to effective vehicle maintenance. The ability of the tool to generate detailed health reports allows users to gain a comprehensive understanding of the status of all systems within their vehicle. This feature ensures thorough diagnostics, particularly highlighting any modules that may be unresponsive. In comparison with similar diagnostic tools such as the ThinkDiag, this scan tool emerges as a more economically viable option while still providing fundamental diagnostic capabilities. Users will encounter its limitations during the instructional walkthrough. The significance of conducting active tests for critical components, including the cruise control and transmission control module, is underscored. Such tests are pivotal in ensuring that essential automotive systems function accurately and reliably. Furthermore, the discussion extends to additional tests essential for components like electronic parking brakes and power steering. Regular checks of these components are vital for maintaining both vehicle safety and optimal performance. The video also addresses the necessity of testing body control modules and door motors, which guarantees that all entry systems operate effectively, thus enhancing overall vehicle convenience. Despite the expiration of certain features, the OBD functions of the scan tool continue to remain accessible, ensuring that users can derive ongoing utility from the tool. This resilience accentuates the tool's long-term value. Moreover, the scan tool provides critical functionalities such as live data reading and fault clearing, which are indispensable for effective vehicle maintenance. Notably, this functionality persists free of charge throughout the lifetime of the vehicle. Lastly, the MUCAR scan tool is designed with convenience in mind, as it can easily fit into a glove box, making it readily accessible in emergency situations. This portability represents a significant advantage for vehicle owners.